Accessibility champions. Aid for elderly and disabled passengers in public transportation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the realm of public transportation. More specifically, we're going to focus on an important aspect: accessibility in public transportation. We will discuss how transportation systems cater to the needs of the elderly and disabled passengers. Let's get started. Accessibility in public transportation refers to the design of transportation systems to be usable by all people, to the greatest extent possible. For elderly and disabled passengers, this includes features like ramps, elevators, and priority seating. By making transportation systems accessible, we ensure that everyone, regardless of age or ability, can use public transportation with ease. Public transportation systems often provide special assistance for elderly passengers. This might include priority seating, which are seats near the front of the vehicle that are reserved for elderly people. These seats are often closer to the door and require less walking, making it easier for elderly passengers to board and exit. Another form of assistance is reduced fares. Many public transportation systems offer discounted tickets for elderly passengers, making travel more affordable for them. Just like elderly passengers, disabled passengers also receive assistance in public transportation systems. Wheelchair-accessible vehicles are one such example. These vehicles have special equipment like ramps or lifts that allow passengers in wheelchairs to board and exit the vehicle safely. Public transportation systems also often have audible and visual announcements. These announcements provide information about upcoming stops and transfers, assisting those with hearing or visual impairments. Transportation staff plays a significant role in ensuring accessibility. They might assist with boarding or exiting the vehicle, help with securing wheelchairs, or provide information about the route. It's crucial that they are trained to understand and meet the needs of elderly and disabled passengers. And that wraps up our discussion on accessibility in public transportation. Remember, the goal is to create a transportation system that everyone can use easily and comfortably. We hope this video helps you understand how public transportation systems are designed to assist elderly and disabled passengers. Thanks for joining us today, and keep practicing your English.